Hi, I'm Red, the cooking dad, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually outside my patio because we're gonna be grilling. I bought a new grill just recently, and funny story is that I went to the store and asked them if I can buy a grill, and then they said yes, and it comes with free assembly. But the assembly will take me about a week, and I don't have a week. I needed that grill at that time. So I asked the guy if I can do it myself, and he said, yes, you can. And how long would it take me? And he said, 30 minutes. So I said, okay, I get it, and I assembled myself. Turns out 3 hours later, it was brutal. Apparently it's not that easy because I really don't know. I haven't done that. I never assembled a grill before. But anyway, today I'm gonna be cooking Asian-style pork barbecue ribs. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And don't forget to share and like this video. Now, back to my video. If you like this video, smash that like button and leave some comments down below and share this video to your friends. Also, stick around to watch some of my other videos in this channel.